Hi guys, this is Mentor Tooba. So let me first read out the PMP scenario and then we will discuss. So the scenario says that during the sixth iteration of an Agile project, the customer requests a technical change to the development of the project deliverables. What should the project manager do now? So the important points to consider in this scenario is the customer is asking for a technical change. That's important. And the project is currently ongoing when this is being asked. And how should the project manager best deal with the situation? Now, the option choices. Option A says, update the project scope for this change and inform the sponsor. Option B says, inform the project team of the request, have them decide how to proceed with the development, and have them coordinate the changes with the stakeholders. Option C says, work with the stakeholders to decide how best to proceed and communicate the process changes to the project team. And option D says, calculate the impact of customers' request on the schedule performance index and communicate this to the sponsor. The correct choice for this scenario is option B, inform the project team of the request and have them decide how to proceed with the development and have them coordinate the changes with the stakeholder. Why so? See, we are in the Agile mindset. Agile empowers everyone, especially the team, the different individuals and their interaction as per the value number 1 of Agile Manifesto. It's actually the point to consider over here. We are talking about a technical change request. The technical change or any request with respect to certain domain expertise comes under the ownership of development team. If you talk about the accountabilities of Agile Scrum, so we have product owner, we have Scrum Master, we have development team, and on top of these three, we could have certain stakeholders who probably are needed in that project. We could have sponsor as well, we could have senior management as well, we could have customer representatives as well. Those are different stakeholders, right? When it comes to technical change, it could be any technical change. It could be a documentation related change. It could be a code related change. It could be a quality related thing. It could be like just a new feature addition. It could be anything. That all of that would come under technical change. When it comes to that, you can't omit development team from the picture. So the right course of action in this situation is the technical team should be understanding the technical change and like collectively, all of them should be understanding that in a group. Ideally, as during the backlog grooming session or maybe in the sprint planning session. And then they will decide that if they are okay with that, if they have any questions, if they require any clarity from the product owner or from the customer side, and then you start working on that. And in the middle, maybe the stakeholders aspect would also come into picture. While technical team is discussing the change, they probably need to collaborate with stakeholders and some functional team members and some other departments and all. All of that is going to be done, but in collaboration with the development team. Right. And when I say development team, it's like all the different people who are going to be making the project a success. They are actually the group of people who work on the project. Project team or Agile project team is comprised of Scrum Master, product owner, development team, and it could be different stakeholders who are connected to that. So all of that are required to be collaborated on this, and then the team would proceed with the development. Option A and option C are out and wrong choice for the same reason. Not the project manager alone would decide that how these changes are going to be done and He can't decide that on his own and just inform the sponsor. Not at all. That probably would happen in predictive mindset or hybrid mindset, yes or no, but not in agile mindset for sure. For the same reason, stakeholders, like I said, there could be a possible choices for a stakeholder, but stakeholders in any capacity, it could be sponsor, it could be project manager, it could be scrum master, it could be functional managers, it could be senior management, it could be head of the department, it could be any stakeholder. They alone, or they as a group even, can't decide by removing the project team or the development team from the picture. No, never. Maybe in the real life project use cases, this happens, but this is not the right thing or the best thing to do, right? So if those people who actually are going to work on that technical change are not going to be involved, how later on they are going to own the sprint backlog or these technical changes? They are never going to do that. They definitely would say that we have never agreed to this, or we have not been included while this was being discussed. So how would we own this? So just to empower your development team, it is necessary that they are involved for the discussion from the very beginning. Option D is just a distractor. Option D talks about calculating the impact of customer request and CR on the SPS, schedule performance index. Schedule performance index is a metric in earned value management in the predictive or hybrid mindset. So this doesn't really apply over here. So this is just out. I hope you like this explanation. I will be back very soon with the explanation of another PMP question. Till then, take care. Goodbye.